Ciao friends, I'm Dhiraj Kala, a data analyst enthusiast. In this video, I will show you how to calculate total working days in Power BI. So let's head over to Power BI. So in my previous video, I have already shown you how to create a date table in Power Query. So here is our date table. I have already imported the list of holidays. So here is our list of holidays. So what we'll do, we'll merge both the queries. So here I have already done that. You can go to that option merge queries, and then we'll select both the columns. So here is our date column from the date table and the date column from the holiday table. So here we have the matching records, and then we'll we'll expand the holiday list, and then I have already expanded the table of holidays, and there we have already a column is holidays which represents the date of the holiday. That if it is yes, then this is the holiday, and if it is blank, then it is not a holiday. And then we'll disable the load of the holiday table. So here, as you can see, we have date table and the column which we have merged from the holiday list, and then we'll create a column which represents the date, which is which are the working days. So here I have written a code. So I have written a if statement. There is if the day in a week is in 5 and 6. So 5 represents the Saturday and 6 represents the Sunday. Or if the the column is holiday represents the yes, then it is false. Otherwise, it will return true. So the code means if the dates are in the if the day of the week is in Saturday or Sunday, or if the uh, if the date is in holiday, then it will return false. Otherwise, it will return true. So now we have a column which represents the total working days, and then we'll count the total working days. So to create a measure, first we'll create a measure table to separate the measures from the table from the other columns. And now we'll create a new measure which is named as total working days. Then calculate count of dates, and we'll count the dates which are working days. So it's true. So we'll choose a card visual and then the measure. So here, as you can see, there are 252 total working days in the year 2022. So that is how you can calculate the total working days in Power BI. If you enjoy my video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.